Today, we're cracking the code on building super effective user stories in Jira, transforming your project workflow from chaos to crystal clear. First, let's get into Jira. Navigate to your desired project. You'll find a plus sign or a create button, usually in the navigation bar or a prominent location on the project page. Click it. This button will begin the workflow of creating your user story. A create issue modal will pop up from the issue type selections. Make sure to choose user story. If you don't see user story, your Jira instance administrator can create it or enable it in your project's settings. Now, it's time to fill in the details. In the summary field, write a concise, clear title for your user story. Think of it as the headline. For example, as a user, I want to search for products. Next, we go into the description field. This is where you'll provide the meat and potatoes of your story. Use the as a euro I want or euro so thought a euro format to clearly define roles, needs, and purpose. For our example, as a customer, I want to be able to search for products on the website so that I can quickly find items I want to buy. Then, you can choose the additional fields, such as the story points, and your assignee. Story points help you gauge the effort needed, and the assignee specifies who's responsible. These fields make sure there are no questions so the user story is ready to be picked up by the team member. Once you're ready, click the create button. Your user story is now officially added to your project. You can now see it on your project board. From there, your team can add further details as needed, giving them the information they need. Congrats! You now know how to make user stories.